Ladies and gentlemen, when life feels overwhelming and the storms keep coming, it's easy to let negativity take control. But staying positive isn't impossible, it's a decision, a single choice that can change your entire path. Imagine walking through the hardest days with strength and clarity, refusing to let the outside world define your inner peace. In this journey, we'll explore how successful people stay calm, strong, and grounded even in chaos. Because what truly shapes your life isn't the challenge itself, but how you respond to it. Anyone can smile when things go right, but real power shows when you stay composed during chaos. You can't always control what happens, but you can master your mindset. Tough times don't break you, they reveal you. This moment can be the start of your greatest transformation. If you're ready to rise above, stay with me. This could be the turning point you've been waiting for. When everything seems to fall apart, remember this: your mind is your strongest weapon. What you focus on expands. If you dwell on fear, you feed it. But if you focus on growth, you rise. Every challenge carries a lesson, every setback a hidden opportunity. The most successful people aren't those who never fall, they're the ones who refuse to stay down. They shift their perspective from "why me?" to "what is this teaching me?" That simple question changes everything. You begin to see pain as preparation, failure as feedback, and obstacles as direction. The truth is, you are always one decision away from a completely different life, the decision to think differently. Instead of fighting the storm, learn to move with it. Because storms don't come to destroy you, they come to clear your path. The strength you're searching for is already within you, it just needs to be activated through belief, patience, and relentless focus. You must protect your mindset like it's your greatest treasure, because it is. Every morning, you have two choices: to feed fear or to feed faith. The world will test you, people will doubt you, and circumstances will challenge your peace, but that's where growth happens. When you stop reacting and start responding, you reclaim your power. Staying positive doesn't mean ignoring pain. It means refusing to let pain control you. It's seeing the light even when everything feels dark. Train your thoughts the same way an athlete trains their body, with repetition, focus, and discipline. Replace "I can't" with "I will." Replace "it's too hard" with "I'm getting stronger." Speak victory over your life even when you can't see it yet. Because what you speak, you attract. Stay calm when others panic. Stay grounded when others give up. The ones who master their mindset eventually master their destiny. There will be days when everything inside you wants to quit, when effort feels pointless and hope feels far. But those are the exact moments that shape your future. Growth isn't built in comfort, it's forged in struggle. Every time you rise when it's hardest, you build inner strength that no one can take away. Don't wait for motivation, create it through action. Even small steps forward count. Each one rebuilds your confidence and reminds you that progress is possible. Surround yourself with energy that uplifts, not drains. Guard your peace and distance yourself from anything that pulls you backward. Positivity isn't pretending life is perfect. It's trusting that even in the chaos, something beautiful is forming. You are evolving, not ending. Stay focused, stay grounded, and trust the process. Because one day, you'll look back and realize the struggle was actually the start of your transformation. Remember, every sunrise brings a new chance to reset your mindset. You are not your past, not your mistakes, not the pain you've endured. You are the strength that survived it all. Stop replaying what broke you and start focusing on what's building you. Each challenge you face is a reminder of how capable you truly are. The people who rise the highest are the ones who stay calm when life tests their patience and faith. Don't rush the process, growth takes time. Trust that what's meant for you will come, not when you want it, but when you're ready for it. Let gratitude lead your thoughts. The more you focus on what's good, the more good flows your way. So breathe, realign, and keep your heart steady. Life may not always go your way, but your mindset decides how far you'll go. Keep shining, keep believing, because your peace, your strength, and your purpose are your greatest comeback. Sometimes the greatest act of strength is staying gentle in a harsh world. Don't let bitterness harden you or disappointment define you. Learn to release what's heavy. Not everything deserves a reaction. Protect your energy like a sacred space. Peace is not found, it's created. You create it by walking away from drama, by choosing silence over chaos, and by keeping faith when everything seems uncertain. Remember, positivity is not about being happy. All the time it's about believing that even in the darkest moment, light still exists. You are allowed to rest, to pause, to heal, but never to give up. Every day you choose peace over pressure, you grow stronger. Every time you respond with calm instead of anger, you rise higher. Your calm mind is your ultimate power. So keep showing up, keep believing, and trust that what's unfolding is aligning you with everything meant for your highest good. There's magic in patience, in trusting the timing of your life. What's meant for you won't pass you by, but you must stay open, calm, and ready. Don't chase what's leaving, focus on what's growing. Sometimes rejection is just redirection, life's way of protecting your purpose. The people who stay centered during chaos always find their way because clarity lives in stillness. Learn to breathe through the noise, to find peace in the pause. Your quiet confidence will intimidate negativity and attract opportunities. When you move with peace, you make better choices, you see clearer paths, and you walk with power. You're not behind, you're being prepared. So stay patient, stay faithful, and keep working in silence. The results will speak for you, because true positivity isn't loud. It's the unshakable belief that no matter what happens, you'll rise again stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. In the end, staying positive is not about escaping reality, it's about mastering it. It's knowing that storms don't last forever, that endings often hide new beginnings, and that every delay has divine purpose. Your peace is your greatest power, your calm is your strongest weapon. Don't let temporary emotions make permanent decisions. Respond with wisdom, not impulse. Remember, light doesn't fight darkness, it simply shines. Be that light. Let your words heal, your presence inspire, and your actions reflect strength. You're not just surviving, you're evolving into someone more powerful, more patient, and more aligned with your purpose. Keep believing even when nothing seems clear, because miracles happen quietly. One day you'll look back and realize every challenge was preparing you for the life you were meant to live. Stay calm, stay grounded, and never stop choosing positivity, because your energy shapes your destiny. Every time life pushes you down, remember you've risen before, and you will rise again. You've already survived what once felt impossible. That strength is proof that you can handle what's next. The world doesn't need a perfect version of you. It needs the real you, the one who keeps going despite fear, who still chooses kindness despite pain. Let go of what you can't control and focus on what you can, your effort, your mindset, your peace. Each sunrise is a new page, and you hold the pen, write with courage, speak with intention, live with gratitude. You don't need to rush, your journey is unfolding exactly as it should. Keep your faith steady and your heart open. The light within you is far greater than any darkness around you. So walk boldly into your future, not with fear, but with quiet confidence, knowing that no matter what comes, you have the strength to stay positive, calm, and unbreakable. And as this journey continues, remind yourself daily peace is not a destination, it's a practice. It's choosing calm when chaos calls, gratitude when life feels unfair, and hope when everything seems uncertain. You become unstoppable the moment you realize your power lies not in control, but in response. Every thought you nurture, every word you speak, builds the reality you live in. So speak love, act with purpose, and move with faith. The strongest souls are not those who never fall, but those who rise gently again and again. Believe that something beautiful is forming, even if you can't see it yet. Trust that every struggle is shaping you into someone extraordinary. You are light, strength, and resilience in motion. Keep going, keep glowing, and never forget no storm lasts forever. The sun always returns, and when it does, you'll realize the calm within you was the real victory all along. So take this moment right here, right now, and breathe. You've made it through every challenge that once scared you. You've healed from wounds that once felt permanent. You've grown through things that were meant to break you. That's not luck. That's strength, and that strength lives within you every single day. Don't chase happiness, create it by being present, grateful, and aware of your blessings. Every little win, every moment of peace, every quiet smile counts. This is how positivity grows, not in grand gestures, but in the small choices you make daily. You are becoming someone unstoppable, someone who moves through storms with grace. So, no matter what life brings next, meet it with calm. Stand tall, smile softly, because the most powerful version of you is not loud or fearful, it's peaceful, grounded, and glowing from within. Your light is your legacy. Keep shining, the world needs your calm strength. As you move forward, carry this truth in your heart: peace is your superpower, and positivity is your armor. You don't need to force anything. What's meant for you will always find its way. Keep showing up even when no one's watching. Keep believing even when progress feels slow. Life rewards consistency, not perfection. The calm you build today becomes the strength you'll rely on tomorrow. So walk gently but with purpose. Speak less, act more. Let your energy speak louder than your words. You are not behind, you are exactly where you need to be to grow into who you're meant to become. Stay kind, stay focused, stay grounded. And when doubt whispers that you can't, let your soul remind you you already have. This is your season of alignment, growth, and grace. Keep your faith unshaken, your heart open, and your light steady, because no matter what happens, you were born to rise calm, confident, and unbreakable.